everyone, and in this video, no, pakita natin yung mga pwede nating kopyahan sa Vantage Markets. Okay, so yun, meron tayong mga previous videos about this, and we have recommendations already. And yun nga, we gusto lang din nating mag-review ng mga iba pang uh, strategy providers dito. So, one of the things na pwede nating gawin is that pwede tayo mag-search dito. So, first pala, yun, no? So, syempre, kailangan meron ka ng account with Vantage Market. So, nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa may bio natin or sa may comment section. So, just check it out. And also, yun nga, kailangan syempre may copy trading account ka na. And, ayun, pwede nyo lang yan gawin sa account management ng profile ninyo. Right? So meron tayong mga videos yan on how to do those things, no. And also, syempre kailangan funded, no. So dito lang yan. Pagka meron ka ng mga accounts na yan, no. So may Vantage Markets ka na, may copy trading account ka na with Vantage. And then you can just deposit here. You can deposit using GCash and a lot of banks or even cryptocurrencies. Okay, so one of the things na pwede natin gawin para mas madali tayo makapag-search, and so kung meron na kayo nakakita, ayan, search strategy or signal provider lang. Okay? Or, ganyan, no, category ang mga yan. High rating, highest monthly return, low risk and stable return, and high win rate. So it really depends on your diversification strategy. Yun, nagbigay na tayo ng mga recommendations and also what to watch out for sa mga strategy providers. So, isa lang sa mga pwede nating gawin pa, no? Ayan. So, dito sa search, okay. So, meron ditong filter. Ayan, check natin, no? So, let's say dito sa high rating, yan. Sa high rating, merong filter dito sa right corner. And yun yan, no, may mga uh, less than 60 less than 60, and also time period you can look for 6 months, kahit 6 months pwede na, no. And return, yan, pwedeng 500 or 100 ang pili natin. So for this, I'd like to select 100 muna, no. And wristband, so syempre doon tayo sa 2 lang muna. And win rate, kahit 70 or kahit 50, okay na yan. Yeah, so it will give us a lot of options here. Yeah, so may mga full na ano. Okay, so these are the options. So ganun yung paggamit sa filter, no? Yeah, so pili pa tayo. Yan. Bago-baguhin lang natin, no? Tingnan natin yung mga lalabas. Okay, so meron ditong lumabas na bago, no? Ito yung mga nasa top, no? Slow steady fund, which is tingnan lang natin, no? So hindi natin to nakita last time. Ayan. So meron siyang pinakamataas niya, and ito nga yung mga tinitrades niya, no? So unfortunately full na nga siya. Okay, so nawala, no? So return kahit 50, 100, sorry. Yan. Win rate is kahit 50, yan. And there you go. We have a lot of options here. Yan. So pili muna tayo. Ito mukhang puro gold ang tintrade ito. And ayun nga, max drawdown, which is number 1 sa atin, 1.86%. Ayan. So pwede natin kopyahan yan. Yan. Isa sa mga criteria na titingnan natin is of course yun nga yung tagal niya sa sa strategy na to, no, or sa signal provider niya. Yeah, so monthly at March pa lang siya. So we can just check it out, no? Balik-balikan lang natin siya. Total maganda naman yung YTD return niya. Look, 122% for just 2 months is not bad. Okay, active copiers 54 and profit sharing is reasonable at 25. Yan. Okay. So max drawdown 1.86, no. So uh very conservative. Okay, which is really good. Okay. Ayan, so meron siyang mga nag-hit na days, no. So since gold lang ang tinetrade niya, tulad niya ng yun, sabi niya Master XAU USD siya, no. So yan, 94%. Sumasideline lang siya dito sa mga DJ30. Yan. Okay, so pwede na siyang balik-balikan, no, pag tumagal na siya dito kasi yun nga, gusto rin natin na medyo may experience na sa pag-strategy provider, and also yung data na nakikita natin, no. So dapat medyo kumpleto. Yan. Okay, so nasa rank list lang, no. Ah, yan. Yan. So at number one, yan, medyo ano, no, 68 yung rating. Yan. Max drawdown again 0.01. Okay na okay, no. So may mga patay na buwan. Medyo tulog na buwan, no, pero humahataw naman. Ayan. So worth considering din. And of course, yan nga, maganda, no. 20% profit sharing. And ito lang, no, wala pa siyang copiers. Okay. So 60% YTD is still not bad. Yan. So we can consider this, no. And yun nga, no, ang isa kasi sa tinitingnan din natin talaga diyan is drawdown. Kasi pag yung drawdown, let's say 20% yung drawdown yan, ibig sabihin, if you have 100, 20% na for float loss. No? So kung hindi ka maingat, pwede pang tumaas yan. And possible ma-wipe out. Pero kung ganito kaliit yung drawdown mo, very small chance na ma-wipe out ka. Yan. So let's see. Okay. So sa win rate, tumingin tayo sa win rate, and napakataas, no, puro 100. Medyo alangan na tayo dyan pag win rate kasi ang tingnan natin, no. Yan. Okay, sa return naman, yan. So kapag sa win rate tayo tumingin, um, medyo ano tayo dyan, no, langanin tayo kasi ano yan eh, yan yung mga nag-hedging, which is also prone to wipe out. 50% profit sharing. Ayan, grabe, no. So, ayan, look. So, ayan, it's really up to you if you want to risk here. Medyo tolerable naman yung drawdown niya, which is 8%, no, for this kind of return. So, medyo titimbangin nyo rin. Okay. So, let's take a look at more win rate. Yan. So, drawdown niya, 0. And medyo matagal na siya, no? Sorry, hindi pala. So ito yung mga nagpapataas 'no, maglalagay ng maliit then biglang papataasin. So para mapunta sila sa featured or sa mga, top rank, and 29 copiers. Yan. So medyo risky kasi tumingin dito sa win rate. Yan. Kung sa wristband, medyo okay, 'no? Yan. Kasi itong mga 'to talaga, ito yung mga, um, yun nga, conservative. Yan. A professional copy trading service focused on consistent growth and controlled risk. Yan. So it doesn't matter 10% YTD, okay na rin, 'no? It beats inflation. Pero yun nga, if you really want to have more, then it's quite a risk. Okay, 30% profit sharing, and ito yung mga tinitrade niya. For me, okay na, 'no, kung medyo volume ang labanan mo. Pero siyempre, it's still a business, we need to diversify. Okay. So again, let's look at the wristband. Yan. Medyo mabababa yung return ng mga nasa top dito, 'no, kasi very conservative nga sila. Look at that, max drawdown, and ito very new, bagong-bago. So we don't want that. Okay, so let's look for more, wristband 1, and we have here ito.
Two sword style.
Okay, so meron tayong max drawdown here, 1.4%. Yan. And we have 900%. Okay. So copiers, 37 and 20% profit sharing, which is not bad, no? And solely focus on, gold. Yan. Okay, so medyo ano lang siya, no? Medyo bago lang. So we can, take a look at, this, no? Visit lang natin siya from time to time. And if this, performance continues, then we can consider this. Okay, so 20% profit sharing is not bad. And max drawdown is very, very low. So, ayun yung mga hinahanap talaga natin. No? So, max drawdown, should be low. Um, and the strategy should be more than, 3 months or at least 5 months. And of course, the profit sharing and the number of copiers as well. So that's it for our, copy trading strategy review. So thank you so much. And if you want to ask me anything, you can join our Telegram community. You can look for the link there sa bio natin or sa comment section. So see you there.